Laptop overheating and automatically shutting down problem fix. So here are some cool tricks you can do. You have to search battery in the Windows bar, change battery setting, and here you will see balanced, change plan setting, and you will have change advanced power setting. Then there are some properties. Processor power management. There is minimum processor state, system cooling policy, and maximum processor state. You have to go to maximum processor state, which is set to 100% and 100% both for battery and plugged in. You have to set it to around 60 for both the condition, as it is good for your battery and processor. So apply. System cooling policy should be active for plugged in status. Okay, now another thing you can do about it, you have to go in computer, and you have to go to properties. There you will have advanced system setting, and here you have advanced system setting, performance settings. So let Windows choose what's best for my computer, adjust for best appearance, adjust for best performance. So you have to go for best performance if you want the fixes for the overheating problem. So all these boxes automatically gets unchecked. So apply. Now your Windows will go back to some retro look, but it will improve the performance.
So I hope these tricks will help the performance of your laptop, and it will solve the problem at some level. Maybe not completely, but you will definitely see the outcome, and results will be soon.